Hi children, hope everyone is fine at your respective places. Today I would like to teach you 10th standard Unit 5 Part C Poem Abandoned. Unit 5 Part C Abandoned. Poem Vocabulary part. Now let us see vocabulary part. New word abandoned, parts of speech, verb, meaning left something or somebody forever. New word irradiating, parts of speech, verb, meaning sending rays of light upon or light up. New word shriek, parts of speech, noun, meaning a short, loud, high cry. Shriek, noun, a short, loud, high cry. Once again, I repeat the words: abandoned, verb, left something or somebody forever. Irradiating, verb, sending rays of light upon, light up. Shriek, noun, a short, loud, high cry. New word hysteria, parts of speech, noun, meaning uncontrolled excitement. Array, adjective, causing a feeling of mystery and fear. Destiny, noun, power believed to control events. Once again, I repeat the words: hysteria, noun, uncontrolled excitement. Airy, adjective, causing a feeling of mystery and fear. Destiny, noun, power believed to control events. New word crap, noun, meaning is solid waste. Cyanosed, new word, parts of speech, adjective, meaning a deep greenish blue colored. Gnawing, new word, parts of speech, verb, meaning biting steadily at something. I repeat the words once again: crap, noun, solid waste. Cyanosed, adjective, a deep greenish blue colored. Gnawing, verb, biting steadily at something. New word filthy, adjective, very fat. Screeching, verb, giving a harsh, loud sound. Ensues, verb, happen as a result of something. I repeat the words once again: filthy, adjective, very fat. Screeching, verb, giving a harsh, loud sound. Ensues, verb, happen as a result of something. We can see few rhyming words in the poem: bacteria, hysteria, crap, rap, lips, pips, cat, rat, gasp, grasp. Once again, I repeat rhyming words: bacteria, hysteria, crap, rap, lips, tips, cat, rat, gasp, grasp. Now we can see comprehension questions. Why are the shrieks of the baby unheard? an outcast of destiny. What is meant by this expression? What are the physical features of the baby? Easy rats here means easily available rats, the rats that move easily, the rats that are caught easily, lazy rats. Who are gnawing at the baby's ears, rats or cat? Which of the following statements are true? The cat was eating the baby. The rats were eating the baby. The rats were strong enough to drive away the cat. The baby was dead by the time the cat came. The rats left the baby to the cat. Which of the statement is true? Can you guess who abandoned the baby? Why do the people abandon the babies? What leads to a bloody chaos? Comment on the line, the only sin of the infant being born. So just all of you check your understanding by this comprehension questions. Thank you for watching.